everyone. You got a 2016 Mazda cx5 remote here. I'm going to open it up to replace the battery. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the emergency key. There's a sliding button here. We're going to slide the switch to the left, hold it, and then we can pull out the emergency key. Once we have that out, we're going to use a small flathead screwdriver, and I'm going to go after these corners here. I'm just going to slide this in like this. I'm going to pry up on it a little bit. I'm going to do both sides like that. You can see how the remote starts to split open. Go around and just pop it up. Take the back cover off. Now we're going to take off this cover here. Now this cover actually has the battery size on it with the cr2025. I'm just going to pry this up like that. And then we can take the battery right out. All right, again, battery size is cr2025 with the positive sign facing out. When you get your new one, just going to slide it in here like this. It just lays in here. It doesn't lock or anything. If you need a battery, check the description box. I'll have an Amazon link there if you need it. We just get the cap and it just presses on here, okay, just like that. Get the back half. Start at the top, work your way down, and just lock it on. You can hear it snap and click. Emergency key goes back in and you're all done.